In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit the number of responses in Google Forms. If you've ever wanted to manage how many people can submit responses to your forms, you're in the right place. This simple yet effective process will ensure that you maintain control over your form submissions, especially when dealing with limited event spots or resource constraints. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Forms. You can easily access this by typing Google Forms into your search bar. Once you're there, log in with your Google account if prompted. Now, you should see a list of your forms. If you haven't created your form yet, you can start a new one by clicking on the blank plus icon. Assuming you've already got a form ready, let's dive into the specifics of limiting responses. Open your form by clicking on its name. Now, look towards the top right corner, where you'll find a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on that to open up your form settings. Within the settings, you'll be greeted by several tabs. We'll focus on the Responses tab for now. Click on it to see various options related to form responses. Here, you want to look for an option that says Limit to one response. This option is especially useful if you need respondents to only submit the form once. Enable it by clicking the checkbox next to it. To truly cap the number of total responses, though, we need to take an extra step. Close the settings menu for now and head back to your form. At the top of your screen, you'll notice that there's a tab labeled Responses. Click on it to see a dashboard containing current responses, summary charts, and more. This is where it gets interesting. You'll need to manually monitor the number of responses here, as Google Forms doesn't currently offer a built-in feature to automatically stop accepting responses after a certain number is reached. To do this effectively, keep an eye on the response counter. Once it reaches your desired number, look toward the top right again, where you'll see a toggle labeled Accepting Responses. Simply switch it off to stop accepting any more submissions. And that's how you limit the number of responses in Google Forms. By using these steps, you can ensure that your form serves the exact number of people you intend, be it first come, first served events, or managing limited resources. This manual process might involve a bit of active monitoring, but it gives you full control over how and when responses are submitted. Thanks for joining today's tutorial on managing Google Form responses. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications on more useful content like this. Happy form creating!